Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the fog light bulbs on this 2013 Hyundai Sonata using these LED bulbs from LASFIT. Let's see how good they are. Alright guys, that's your bulb right there. You need to get behind it, so go underneath and remove these two clips that are under here using this little screwdriver. Alright, got this piece coming down, and then you're able to get your hand in there to reach the bulb, which is right there. Next, you're going to unplug the bulb, so squeeze on the sides. There's two tabs on the side, so squeeze and pull out. There you go. Next, we're going to remove the bulb, just twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. Alright guys, these are your bulbs. These are the specs, and you need an H8. That's the bulb for the fog lights. It comes with some stickers and instructions. And these are the bulbs themselves, made out of metal or aluminum. Has a little fan in there to keep it cool, and it also has these vents to dissipate heat. It's pretty cool looking. This you plug into these inverters or whatever they're called. See? So you plug this side to the bulb and this side to the car. Okay, simple. All right guys, just plug it in. Make sure it's all the way in like that, and then you take this nut and screw it on. All right, that's locked in place. Put these in, test them, make sure they work. Now you can twist it and lock it in place. Alright guys, that's your bulb in there. If you notice, it's not like straight up and down. Every other LED bulb I installed, they always want you to put it at a 3 and 9 orientation, meaning straight up and down. The instructions don't mention anything about it, but I'm just gonna reach in here and twist it. I don't know if it makes a difference for fog lights, but now it's straight up and down, okay? Alright guys, zip tie the wires so they're not bouncing all over the place. Okay, install this bottom cover and put on your clips. Alright guys, check it out. Do the same thing on the other side. But I'm going to show you something really cool about this headlight. Go ahead. See that? They call them switchbacks because you can switch the color. Go ahead, switch it again. Every time you turn it on and off, just switch colors. Go ahead, one more time. Pretty cool, right? So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.